Hello my pretties, and welcome to Crochetober day 13. I think. There's spooky coyotes in the background, my goodness. Yes, day 13. Why hello. The 13th. You hearing this? Perhaps it's a dog. I thought it was a coyote, pretty sure it's a dog. Anyway, okay. Ooh, spooky noises. Spooky Crochetober soundtrack, very fun. Okay, so today, as I mentioned, it was the 13th. I usually have a costume. I thought about doing my makeup and such, but I didn't. Today, this is my costume. I'm so excited. The whole reason for me doing this finally came in today. So, ta-da! This is my Crochetober shirt. And down at the bottom it says stitching ain't easy. And yes. I'm so excited. It has super spooky lettering. It is creepy. Yes, that was the whole purpose of doing that on Teespring, is so that I selfishly could have my own t-shirt. Oh, I love it so much. So yes, don't have a costume today. It's very much like a this is my costume type t-shirt. It's kind of what I'm going for. Just alright, I'm gonna be real with you guys because there's no reason not to be. Today is the 14th. Today is Friday. I'm doing the 13th because I'm a smidge behind. I was hoping to do B and Derek's videos together live. So I think tomorrow I'm just going to smush Derek and I's videos together, and so we'll be caught up. I don't know, we'll see how things work out, but we're just going to pretend that's the 13th. Alright, cool, thanks guys. So, okay. If you've been here, oh hello and thank you. There are 5 of us. That's how it goes. Everyone has a day, activity, movie, song, pick a color for the blanket, yada yada yada, right? Okay, so today is Bee's Day. So, creepy noises outside, footsteps, just kidding. 'Tis children. Okay, so, children going in the house. Alright. Here we go. We start these out with a Crochetober fun fact, Halloween fun fact. So, alright. The world's heaviest was grown by Matthias Willemjens from Belgium. I don't know how you say it at all, and I apologize, sir. Anyway, from Belgium, and it weighed 2,624.6 pounds. It's a big pumpkin. 2,624.6 pounds. It's pretty massive. Perhaps we should check that out. Google search it, see how big it is. My goodness gracious. It's a lot of pumpkin pie. A lot of pumpkin spice lattes, if that's something you're into. So, alright. Our fun fact for today. So, right there. Our square is over here. I just opened Happy Mail. You guys are so sweet. New. I have some spooky, scary spiders to hang from here. Super cool stitch marker. Some stickers and a really cool cube thing. I have goodies galore. But yes, okay. Anyway, so I just did that, so there are still things right next to me, so I have a lot of room to set things out. Alright. Here is our square. Yesterday was Finn's Day. It's getting too big to fit into the screen. I love it. And to fit into the frame. Looks really wonky, but it kinda is-ish, I guess. Anyway, Finn chose this one, and I just did a row of half double crochet and then a row of double crochet and like the a row of front post double crochet. So again, like these other rows, this one and this one, it left me with 2 rows to potentially stitch into. Just saying. Don't have to. It's kind of cool on this side if you just or just do that and then stitch something. It would kind of do this, like this single crochet look on this side. So I might do that. I might use both. We'll see. So, alright. Bee's color is this one. It is Big Twist Value in the color light green. And she asked if this was for anything, if she could pick it, and I was like, well, I was just going to say, if you didn't pick it or your dad didn't, then that was going to be the one that I chose. So, perfect. Absolutely perfect. So, that's the back. Okay, so this is what's next. And I love it. I needed some green. It's going to be really good. Alright. So, put that right there. For Bee's activities, she doesn't really know what she wants to do, so we're just gonna, I think, kind of hang out, play it by ear. I'll let y'all know what we end up doing. I guess, even though this was technically for yesterday, we're also a day behind. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, which is why all of, yes, so anyway, yeah, it is what it is, but, yeah, just a second. Hubby is texting me. Just a second. Okay, so we may just, except for her activities, you weren't really sure. We may just play catch up. We may just have a whole new thing. I think she's kind of thinking on it, so I'll let you guys know tomorrow what we do. For her movie, she wants to watch Scream. Matthew Lillard is one of her very favorite actors, which I think is just too cool, just because personally I always loved Skeet Ulrich. That was how I was. But yeah, she likes Matthew Lillard. Super cute. So excuse me. So we tried to find Scream last night, because technically that was the night, you know, and we couldn't, and so what I thought it was on, it wasn't on, and so we're gonna try to find Scream tonight. I don't know why we don't own that, but we don't. So anyway, the movie is Scream. Her song, she just says hip. Her song is Spellbound by Susie and the Banshees. So, yeah. It's a hip, hip lady. Yep. Spellbound by Susie and the Banshees. Okay. Our project for today is going to make an appearance later on. Again. But for today, I have this to show you, I guess. This is from a picture on Pinterest. It's one like the one I showed yesterday where I clicked it and it didn't really lead to anything. Anyway, except for the photo, but it was granny squares, pretty easy. Tis a Sally purse. Like I said, I'm going to add something to it and bring it back, but for right now, Tis a Sally purse from Nightmare Before Christmas. I just used, I don't even remember, I think Red Heart Cherry Red, maybe Big Twist, I don't know, a black that I had. This is Big Twist Pale Yellow, Big Twist Purples, and like turquoise, I think. And then this is the newspaper, the Red Heart newspaper stripe. Excuse my throat, I'm sorry. Like I said, I've already recorded another video before this, so anyway, sorry. Okay, my goodness. Anyway, but yes, the Red Heart newspaper stripe, or newspaper print, whatever. But that's what I stitched it together with, and I've made it so that the stitches would stick out, because it's for Sally and she's stitched together. And then right here they're on the inside, because I don't know, maybe that's the part that keeps like coming unstitched. I don't know. So anyway, it's supposed to be like her dress though, so and I'm gonna add something to it. But for today, 'tis Sally, her purse. So alright. Bee didn't have any art. She was gonna do Ghostface for Scream, but she didn't. Like I said, we're a day behind. We're all just kind of whatever. It is what it is. I will try very hard to smush the 2 videos together tomorrow, play catch up, all of those things. We'll see. Alright. I think she's working on something for the video for tomorrow, but I'm not sure. So, alright. For our outro, okay. Sticky fingers, tired feet, one last house, trick or treat, by Rusty Fisher. I was trying to read. I knew that was going to come out right. Rusty Fisher. Sticky fingers, tired feet, one last house, trick or treat. Alright. Take my Sally purse. Since you all are getting tired of trick-or-treating, may I suggest when you have your bag full of candy, you're already sort of tired anyway from walking around and all of those things. And since we continue to watch spooky movies just for the month of October, may I suggest don't go in the woods.